how to play Knives Out as a guest. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying out new Battle Royale games without creating an account right away, then in Knives Out, you can play as a guest, which is a great way to jump in quickly and test the game before committing. So first things first, download the Knives Out game from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store and make sure that you install the official version and launch it open. Once you launch open the app, you'll see this login page where you'll see several login options. Simply select Guest Login option from the menu. After you do that, select the server and tap on the screen to start the game. Agree to the terms and conditions, and this will let you enter the game instantly without registering. Go ahead and select your character, choose your gender, and click Next. You can also customize your character by creating their face, eyebrows, eyes, and other facial feature of the character. Now enter the nickname for your character and click on Start Game. Now select if you are a recruit or if you are familiar with the game and confirm selection. Now wait for the game to load and then you'll end up in this lobby screen. Now you can go ahead and select your mode from the bottom right corner and start the match. Now enjoy the guest mode limitations, but keep in mind that guest progress may not be saved permanently. You might lose data if you uninstall the game. Some features may be limited compared to full accounts, so after you are done, you can go ahead and join into a match and enjoy the game, but later on, consider linking your accounts so that you don't lose progress and can unlock more features. So that is how you can easily play Knives Out as a guest. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.